In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change shirt color in Canva. So first of all, we need to import the media on our canvas, and to do that we need to go to the upload section from the left hand bar, and under it we need to firstly upload the file. So I want to change the shirt color of this girl. So for that I need to firstly drag and drop it onto my canvas like this, and now I want to change the shirt color. And to do that, firstly select your image, then on the top toolbar click on edit, and when we click on it, then it will open this left panel. So first let's understand the pro method, and then we'll talk about the free method. So firstly, if you have Canva Pro, then go to the Magic Studio section, and under it we need to click on this side arrow and then click on Magic Edit. So I don't have Canva Pro, that's why I'm seeing this window here. But what you need to do, you just have to select your shirt by this brush tool, and after that just give them the prompt, like if you want to change a shirt color, then just type there change shirt color, and Canva will automatically change a shirt color with this Magic Edit tool. But I don't have Canva Pro, that's why I'm not gonna use this feature. Now let's see what's the free method. So for that we have to select our image, then on the top toolbar click on edit, and then on the left hand window we need to select brush option from here and toggle on this auto detect option and set the brush size according to your image shirt. So I'll just go with 40 here, and then just draw on your shirt, and when you release your mouse click, Canva will automatically detect the area where you have drawn. Now to change the color of it, we need to go to the adjust from this left panel, and under it we'll see different types of adjustments. So let's say I want to change the temperature, then I can just use this slider to set it according to my need. So I want to have it a slightly blue tone, so I'll just make it like this. And similarly I can change the tint from here, so let's go with this one, and you can see the shirt color has been shifted towards green tone. Now I want to add some depth to it, and to do that we just have to tweak our brightness and contrast settings, and then the depth will be added. If you want to customize different things, then you can just go through all of these options and see what it does on your shirt color. Now I'm happy with it. Now let's say I want to change the color of shirt from green to different one, then for that I just need to change the temperature and tint settings. Now we don't need to adjust contrast and brightness settings because we have set it that now. Let's go with the pink color here like this. I just have to increase the tint, and the color of the shirt will be changed to that. So this is the free method. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.